everybody, today's Taco Tuesday! And then, today I'm gonna have a chicken taco. And then, people out there, I hope you love Taco Tuesday. Because it's my favorite day in the whole, it's my favorite day in the whole entire world. Yep, and I'm with my cousin here, over here. This is my cousin.
What's the name of your cousin?
His name is Kuya Jeremy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Say something, Jeremy.
Hi. Do you like Taco Tuesday?
Taco Tuesdays.
Yeah. There's Peter. We're making a YouTube video over here. And then, hey, what's going on? Taco.
I want to say hi to my fans. They're mostly girls in the internet. No, I'm just kidding.
Yo, he is crazy. And then, right now I'm having some fruit punch, and that's my sister over there, looking like sleepy, and I can't even see her moving a muscle. Hello everybody, and here's my food. I got some chicken street tacos with some beans and chips. And then this is what my cousin has got. I don't know what he's got.
I got a fish taco.
He's got a fish taco. Oh yeah, they are that small. I forgot.
It's pretty big actually. It's good enough.
And then the most delicious thing.
Private schools are.
Happy Taco Tuesday! It's really. Wait, first? Yep, today I'm going to try it now. And people, this is amazing. It is really amazing.
Tell them where you are. Tell them where you are.
I'm at RUBIO'S. Okay, guys, I kind of finished my food. And, of course, I forgot to show you the nachos.
But it was good and all.
Yep, it was good and all. It was really good. And it's amazing. Really amazing. You better go here. Guys, you better go here. And don't forget, Taco Tuesday!
Sorry, did I get ready?
Bye!